So I'm going to start out by putting my hair up and then putting some aloe vera on my face to just moisturize it. And this would really help moisturize it. And the trick is once you're done, go down so it won't look so cakey when you put your concealer on. So yeah, here I'm just putting the e.l.f. concealer on. This is my favorite concealer. Then I'm just putting my e.l.f. powder on, and these two go perfectly together, I find. And then I'm going to do my brows. My brow thing ran out, so what you can do is take a cream eyeshadow and put it on the spoolie. If you don't have cream eyeshadow, that's fine. I'm going to just put it on. Little thing right now, I'm just going to say, when I was younger, I used to love this palette. You can buy this at the Dollar Tree. It was super easy for me, and it's a still really good palette. And I bought another one. That's how much I love it, because the last one I had is basically destroyed. So next I'm just taking the brown and white, the lightest brown, and don't judge me, I lick my finger, it makes it more pigmented. And then I'm going to do that to the same for the other eye, and then I'm going to put mascara on. And the next one I forgot to put mascara on, so here's a kind of transition thing. Then I'm going to put lip gloss on and put highlighter on because I forgot to in the other ones, and that's all. And then I'm going to moisturize my face, and this is the thing I use, and it's so good. And again, rub down after you're done. And then take your foundation, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's a really good foundation, and it's really cheap. So, and then this beauty blender is from Wish, and it was only $1, so that was good. And then I'm taking my concealer, even though it's actually a foundation. I just lost my concealer at that moment. Blend it in, put some e.l.f. powder on, and basically that's good. And then I'm gonna contour my cheeks using my Soft palette because it has a really good shade for me to contour. And also, there's another good blush shades called Peaches in there. And highlight, yes, highlight. This is the Makeup Revolution Vivid Bake Highlighter. And then I'm just taking some colors and putting them in my crease. Iced Coffee, and then I put Peaches in my crease. This is all the Soft palette. Peaches is a good shade, and just so you know, hold your brush at the very tip, and that will make it like better. And then I'm taking Strawberry Sweets, and this is good. Then I put the shade Pink Champagne on my lids, and I put a really pretty corally color on, and then yeah, and I messed it